Good morning, Honorable Person here, myself Rajan, and now I'm going to explain a review paper, the title of A Brief Review on 3D Printing Technology. First, we start with the introduction section. 3D printing technology is also named as additive manufacturing, also called as rapid prototyping technique. The technology is invented in 1986 by Charles Gall. Initially, stereolithography (SLA) was invented, and later the technologies like powder bed fusion, fused deposit modeling, counter grafting, inkjet printing, and other technology was invented. The main usage of this additive manufacturing, the 3D printing, is the competitor for that traditional manufacturing technique. Because of the traditional manufacturing technique has a lot of wastages in the production time, so that this technology will reduce the wastage and also reduce the production time. Okay, so then uh, this technology is mainly considered or the layer by layer technology by using the CAD modeling data. Initially, the specimen what we are going to produce, the specimen was designed by using the CAD design like AutoCAD and SolidWorks Pro E, Acadia, like the softwares, like designing softwares. And after that, the designed software designed file is exported into that directly to that printing machine, and then the product was printed. The materials are used in this 3D printing was mainly the thermoplastic polymers. Initially, the thermoplastic polymers named as like PLA, ABS are the base materials are used in this 3D printing. After that, many composites are used in this technology, like metal composites and ceramic composite, fiber composite, and later they are inverted the nano composite with these polymers, and this will improve the product quality and also uh, increase the required strength what we expect from that product output. Then in the 3D printing process is mainly classified into 7 categories by ASTM standard. Initially, main metal extrusion, powder bed fusion, binder jetting, material jetting, and sheet lamination, photopolymerization, and also direct energy deposition. These are the 7 main techniques, main processes are used in this 3D printing technology. Initially, the metal extrusion is like a filament. The raw material is in the filament form, and the main techniques are used in FDM and also the triple F process. FDM is fused deposit molding, and triple F is fused filament fabrication process. This technology, by using this material as a filament form, the extrusion head will extrude the raw material into the nozzle, and the required product will printed by using these machines. And later the powder bed fusion. In here, the raw materials are used in the powder form. The main technologies are used in here is SLS, selective laser sintering, electron beam melting, and also selective heat sintering. These are the main 3 techniques are used in here. Here the main uh, main power source is product source is laser is used on here. By using laser, the production process is happened because of the heat used on the machines. And this is a bi-directional processing. In bi-directional processing, we have using the printing to the material in two shapes, like a liquid or otherwise powder shapes. In here, a roller was used to sintering the material and make the form of the final product. And in material jetting, the materials are used in liquid form. Mainly, it's used in the inkjet printer and everything. And here, the UV light is used to cure the and make the product as well as. And in sheet lamination process, in here the solid sheet metal is used to make a product. In here, the raw material are in sheet form only. It's sold in the near to the build platform, and later that a cutting tool laser or else a cutter are used to cut the record shape, and the printing process happen. The main technologies are used in here is ultrasound additive manufacturing and also laminated object manufacturing are the main techniques are used in the technology. And in what photopolymerization, it's mainly by using the resins or in the process. By using the laser source, the printing the record shape will be sintering by sintering process. This will printing the patterns. And the direct energy deposits, it's by using the laser technology in here, this will print the record object by layer by layer. And these are the main materials and the applications of 3D printing. The main materials are used in here in the 3D printing process is thermoplastic polymers, polymer blends, ceramic composite, metal composites, fiber reinforced composite, and also nano composite. These materials are mainly used in many applications like in medical sector, electronic, aerospace, automotive, design, like jewelry, and end user application. And in many applications, they are using like prototyping products. The main problem in this 3D printing is not suitable for batch production, and also not suitable for heavy size production because of these materials are not good in strength, and also not suitable for high load withstanding processes. So that it's mainly not suitable for high batch production, also large size of product. And also the applications are limited due to the less amount of materials in this area. Because of we are using the metal composites means it's only composed of maximum 10 percentage of metal will be added to that polymers. Other than that, it will not support the material. And these are the main parameters are used in the 3D printing process. Mainly, they depend upon the layer thickness, build orientation, raster angle, raster style, print. Sorry, the build temperature means the printing temperature and the bed temperature, and air gap and infill patterns are the main parameters are used in this 3D printing process. And the future process perspectives, while the main problem in this, they already said they have some disadvantages, like we cannot use it for heavy type of products, and also not useful for the batch production processes. And and another main advantage is in this 3D printing process is more compactable and easy to take to some places. And the price wise is low cost in some of like FDMCs and other. And yeah, compared to cost wise, it's effective, and mainly the drawback is that it's not suitable for batch production, and the applications are limited due to these limitations of materials in this area. And finally, the conclusion will yeah this will new innovation technique mainly used for rapid prototyping and other things, but the product applications are having some low strengths and what's not suitable for a large type of production. These are the main drawbacks and here. So we need to for further research like adding nano composites, by adding the fiber reinforced polymers to that filament to improve the product quality, and it will helpful for to build a better product in this by using this 3D printing. And these are all about this paper. And thank you so much. Thank you.